open the camera app and scan the step 1 of the QR code to add the IQR alert onto your contacts on the phone, and then save the contact. Then you can put your first IQR sticker onto the item you wish to secure. For this example, we're going to place the IQR sticker on the laptop. Find a good location to place the sticker and press on it firmly so it sticks onto the surface. Secondly, add the protective layer. This is a clear sticker onto the IQR sticker. This is an additional layer to protect the main IQR sticker. This is to protect from smudges, scratches, which will help the IQR label to last longer. To activate the sticker, scan the sticker with your phone. Once you reach the website, enter in your phone number or your email address to activate your account. Once you enter your phone number or your email, please check your phone or email address and then click on the link we sent to activate your account. Tap on it and then you will arrive to the page where you can activate your IQR sticker. Put the label and the description that will be displayed to someone who scanned the sticker. And lastly, slide the alert me to the on position so that you will receive an alert when someone scanned your IQR sticker. Click on the camera icon to take a picture of your item so that you can recognize what item it is if somebody found it and scanned the IQR sticker. So once you upload it, it will be saved and you can see the image of your secured item. Click on the contacts to add more contacts to be alerted. Add contact and then fill in the name of your contact, the phone number, and the email address. And then click Insert Contact. Now you need to verify. Click the Verify yellow button and then a link will be sent to your additional contact. They will need to verify it in order to start receiving alerts when someone scans your IQR sticker. Now you can add the additional contacts onto your secured devices. To do that, go to QR codes, click on the item you wish to be alerted and turn on the additional contacts. When someone found your lost item, they can scan the QR code on the item, which will then alert you and any additional contacts. The founder can then leave a message which will be sent to all contacts associated to that secured device. It will be sent both through email and text messages. All associated contacts will receive this alert and they can click on the link or tap on the text message to see the message and even to start a conversation with the founder. You can simply type and chat along. You can see additional alerts that you have received previously by clicking the alerts link. all alerts will be stored there and you can see the message history.